Behind this film, we've got Direct Jade Castro and the very beautiful Charlie Dizon. Hi, Charlie. Welcome.
Hi, congratulations on this film.
Yes.
Also, a part of it as well, Andrea Brillantes and Bella Padilla.
Unfortunately, Abby is not here with us, but Bella, the very beautiful Bella is here. Direct Jade, dito sama rin kayo dito.
Hi, Direct. Come on inside.
And Bella's here a bit, okay?
As she makes her way in, star-studded.
Yes, of course. And while waiting for Bella, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our content creators, media who's here with us.
Hard-working press people.
Yes, to join in the fun. Maraming salamat po. Everyone is excited to reconnect with everyone.
Yan na, we call on Bella Padilla.
Yes. Alam mo, Rico, kanina, we asked some of our guests, ano ang una mong gagawin kapag nawalan ka ng internet during Christmas? So, I will be asking you that. Ano ang una mong gagawin, Rico?
I will go to my neighbor.
Good na, tapos
Internet tayo. Actually, reconnect. That's what it's all about. Is Bella here? Did she make her way in?
And I think in a bit.
In a bit? Okay. And also Gerald Anderson?
Yes, of course. And we'll be seeing them and we'll be getting to know the cast in just a short while. But for everyone who's here, I think you got your tickets with you. May mga tanong dyan. Sinagot nyo ba ang mga katanungan na yon? Yan, parang may mga questions kasi sila Rico sa tickets nila. So, yun din.
More. I want to reconnect with them more.
So yeah, you guys are always busy, always working. That's what it's all about. How about you?
Maybe some old friends from the past. Maybe I want to reconnect with them again. So yun. As simple as that.
I saw your mom's reaction. Wow, what a question.
Yeah. Rico, I think we can ask them the question later on dahil Bella is here na. So again, we would like to call Miss Bella Padilla!
Wow! And some more from Bella. Gerald Anderson!
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you for joining us sa premiere namin. Kahit na alam namin traffic na po dahil December na at nasa Metro Manila tayo. So talaga namang traffic. Maglalakad-lakad muna ako dito. Saan ba ako pupunta?
Pasyal ka daw muna, Bella.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga kaibigan at kapamilya namin na dumating tonight, makakatrabaho. Maraming salamat. Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung movie namin. It's very light. It's a beautiful and heartwarming movie. So, also help us spread the word. December 25, palabas na po kami. Thank you po.
Yung lahat, katulad na sinabi ng lahat, marami pong salamat sa pagpunta. Alam namin traffic, but you guys are still here. At sana po sa December 25, makanood din kayo ulit ng Reconnect or ikwento niyo po sa mga kaibigan niyo, sa pamilya niyo about our film. It's the only Christmas-themed movie sa festival, kaya I'm sure magugustuhan niyo po ito. Kaya sana po isuportahan niyo kami. Merry Christmas!
Yes, Direct Jade.
Thank you everybody. Merry Christmas. Ang gagaling po ng lahat ng cast. Pilit ako sabihin. Pero actually hindi, sobrang saya working with these bunch of people. It's a director's dream na meron siyang cast na ganito gagaling at kasasarap na trabaho. And really had a lot of fun and a lot of hard work. So sana po magustuhan nyo and magagaling na ako ulit. Ayun, hope you enjoy it. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga members of the staff na nandyan. Hindi ko kayo makita. And my family's here. Ayun, so hi and friends. Hello. Ayun, please enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Again, presenting the amazing cast and director of Reconnect. Palakpakan naman natin sila.
As they do take their seats, once
Yes.
again, one more for the photo.
And videos. Alam kong everyone wants to get a glimpse of the cast and our director, of course. It's going to be really exciting tonight. Guys, going on, go!
Tsaka isang reverse daw with the camera facing the audience. So they'll do
Yes.
reverse lang. Hello everybody, how you guys doing?
Parang groovy.
There you go. The other way. Studios and third floor studios. So congratulations, Gerald, for your venture in producing. Big movie for the whole family.
Hashtag MMFF 2025. This
Yun.
year is going to be really exciting for Philippine cinema, and we are very, very happy to see everyone supporting local films.
And the movie is not just star-studded, but also the soundtrack is star-studded. It
Yes.
features Kaya, Akira BGYO, Angie Salvacion, Mia Canton, Ika Frias, Mikey Sarmiento, Remy Overvisors, also Horizon, Anthony Meneses, and a whole lot more. You can actually stream it.
Alright, so now may we request everyone to please settle down.
Members of the press, have you guys settled down? We'll have more of the festivities after the movie.
Yes. Yan. For sure maraming katanungan ng ating press.
And you know the movie's big when OG Diaz is here.
Yes.
Ako si OG, nakita ko eh. Hi
Nakita ko
OG.
rin si Sister. Hello po. Welcome, welcome.
Pinapanood ko lahat ng interview niya. Oo, yung OG inspires. I watch all of that one by one.
Okay, again, a reminder for everyone to please settle down as we're about to begin the film. Alam kong excited ang lahat. Excited na po ba ang lahat? I love it.
10.
Sampu.
Yung nasa harap. Are you guys excited for the movie?
Okay.
Alright. Are you guys ready? I think they are ready.
Yes.
Once again, my name is Rico Robles.
And my name is Nikki Viola.
As everybody settles down, ladies and gentlemen, as we're about to start our national anthem.
Thank you and see you all after the film.